Rebirth on Earth is a gamble. You will not know how bad or good your fellow men are. We have something very nice related to spirit communications on page number 7. Hi, so this is Spirit Guides Part 2 और आज मैं जल्दी से एक बुक है जिसका नाम है The Laws of the Spirit World by Khurshid Bhavnagri. I love this book after Bhagavad Gita. This is my second favorite book. बुक के बारे में मैं सेपरेटली एक रील बनाऊंगी, पर आज इस बुक में से कुछ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लाइंस अबाउट स्पिरिट गाइड्स वो मैं रीड करना चाहती हूँ. द टेक्स्ट विल बी फ्लैशिंग ऑन योर स्क्रीन. So it says on page number 113, rebirth on earth is a gamble. It is important that you purify your soul and reach a higher level. For this, God Almighty has given you double protection from evil influences so that you do not fall spiritually. One is your own powerful and most wonderful subconscious mind, which will always try to stop you unless you have decided not to listen to it and it has become dormant. The second is your spirit guide, whom some will call a guardian angel. All souls on earth have spirit guides who watch out for them from the spirit world. These guides show you where you have gone wrong. Your spirit guide knows everything about you and tries hard to impress upon you to walk on the right path. Before your subconscious mind becomes dormant. Oh my god, this line, just listen to this line. Before your subconscious mind becomes dormant, it calls out to your spirit guide saying, I'm of no use now, so please take over your extra duties. Your guide will have an extremely hard time trying to make you follow the right path through your physical mind. The guide has to push the limits and force your physical mind to work as he or she wishes. And then we have something very nice related to spirit communications on page number 7. And it says, we are all trying to improve, you on the earth plane and we on the spirit plane. But there is a vast difference between us. You cannot know all the truths and we know most of them. You will not know how bad or good your fellow men are, but we know exactly how good or bad a soul is. So they say that they keep giving us signs so that we know that a specific person is not good for us. But we have to be aware enough and open enough to be able to receive that message from the spirit world. Now next they say, so my dear readers, if you can communicate with your dear ones who are in the spirit world and take their guidance, you will definitely know which person is good and which one is not. In this way, you can know whom to trust and whom not to. They go on saying, not everyone can receive messages from the spirit world, but we are sure that those who can communicate are willing to help others. I'm sorry to say that people on earth can be very foolish sometimes. Even a cup full of happiness near their mouths is like a poison to them. They are foolish not to believe in spirit communications or in the soul and life after death. We feel very sorry for such souls as they are stunned when they come to the spirit world. You know, when they say even a cupful of happiness near their mouths, it's like a poison to them. This is so true. हमारे साथ ऐसा होता है ना कि जब हम किसी खराब टाइम में होते हैं तो हम बहुत सारे भगवान की पूजा करते हैं, हवन करते हैं, मेडिटेशंस करते हैं, चैंटिंग करते हैं, और जैसे ही हमारा टफ टाइम ख़त्म होता है, हमारी विश पूरी हो जाती है, तो सेलिब्रेशन हम अपने दोस्तों के साथ करते हैं, है ना. हो सकता है कि हम एक बार मंदिर जाते हैं, लेकिन जो एक लार्ज सेलिब्रेशन है वो हम दोस्तों के साथ करते हैं. वो लार्ज सेलिब्रेशन हम भगवान को सेंटर में रख के नहीं कर पाते. और काफ़ी लोग तो ऐसे भी होते हैं जो इतना तक बोल देते हैं कि जो भगवान है वो बहुत पर्सनल होते हैं. यू नो, हम अपने पर्सनल स्पेस में भगवान को थैंक्स बोलते हैं. ऐसे थोड़ा ना होता है. जिस तरह सामने वाले के साथ एक रिलेशनशिप में हम अपने रिलेशनशिप को दुनिया से सीक्रेट नहीं रख सकते, अगर हमने रखा तो जिसके साथ हम रिलेशनशिप में हैं वही भाग के चला जाएगा, ठीक उसी तरह हमारा रिलेशनशिप हमारे भगवान के साथ होता है और हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि हम अपने रिलेशनशिप को उनके साथ एक हद तक पब्लिक में लाएं ही लाएं। लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि आपका विश्वास किस में है और कौन आपके साथ हमेशा रहता है। बट एनीवेज, yes, so these lines I wanted to share with you all. ये मैंने कुछ 4 साल पहले पढ़ा था, तब मैं स्पिरिट गाइड्स के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं जानती थी एंड दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट स्पिरिट गाइड्स। बट वो कहते हैं ना, एक नोइंग में और एक रियलाइजेशन में बहुत डिफरेंस होता है। तो मुझे रियलाइज करते 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 और 2 साल लगे। Now I am in a state where I really know that I have spirit guides. I know their names. I know that in which phase of my life which spirit guide has helped me. In my next reel, I'll share with you my journey, how I got to know about my spirit guide, what was the process, and how they have helped me in different phases. Post that reel, I'll post another reel wherein I'll share with you that what all kind of approaches we can have to be able to get in connection with our spirit guides. Thank you.